Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Shopify link store link basically to your TikTok bio. So as you can see, I have connected to my TikTok, and now you want to click these three lines and settings and privacy. Now you want to click account, and now you need to switch to your business account. So it's a little bit different than a few years ago, but basically you want to click switch to business account. After it loads up, you're gonna click next. You're gonna next. Now you need to choose a category. So for example, let's choose education. Click next. Now you need to add your email to connect with your customers directly. So you can always change this later. So I'm just gonna enter my email address. Now my profile is completed, and now I can create a video, but maybe let's click maybe later. And now let's go ahead here. And as you can see, there's an email where people can click it, and you can actually add a website here. So now you're going to click edit profile, and right here you can actually add your website. And it still lets me to become a registered business account, so I need to click something here now. Now you will actually need to set up your business account here and get started. So you will need to enter all of your details, like, let me show you. So like your legal business name, country, address, and many other things. So after you finish that, you will be able to add your website, and it will be a clickable one. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.